I'm not a fan of Performance Max, but in this video, I'm going to show you one main reason why I really don't like it. Let's go do this. Don't forget, if you like this video, hit that thumbs icon and subscribe. Alrighty, let's head on over to my account. I'm going to show you why. So here we are in a live Google Ad account. I was actually performing an audit for this person. And as I said, the main reason why I don't like it, as you can see, so this is the Performance Max campaign here. They've spent $7,000. It's been going since August. So August, September, so 2 months worth of data. And if I go into this campaign, we can see this, and then if I go to the Insights tab to try and get some insights on this campaign, and I've only got the option to do last 7 days or last 28 days. How frustrating is that I have got at least 2 months worth of data here and I can't get any more historical data on what's working, what's not working, or really anything like that. So that's a massive gripe that I have. They have released a bit more information. This is only really new in their search term insights section, where you can select custom time frame, and that will give you information about search term insights for a longer time frame, but that's just search term data where we want to know additional data as well. So yes, I've been quite public that I'm not a massive fan of Performance Max. I use it quite sparingly for the people I help inside teachtraffic.com. And yeah, so let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'm interested to hear. If you like this video, don't forget, hit that thumbs icon and subscribe, and maybe check out my website, teachtraffic.com. Thanks for watching.